Nas, what a pleasure to have you here in NYU. It's such a privilege for us. And your lecture, oh my God, it was amazing. The quality of the content, the dentistry, the whole thing. You're one of the best speakers I ever seen. And
Thank you.
congratulations, the work you're doing is spectacular, mind-blowing. Everybody's talking about it outside. So thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Annabella, for invitation. For me, it's a great pleasure to know you. And also, it's a great pleasure to be the part of the program. I mean, the lineup is amazing. All the top specialists who participated in your programs in NYU are here. So it's an amazing opportunity to communicate and to see so many great specialists.
Thank you, great. And Naz, I have a couple of questions for you.
Go ahead.
Perfect. So the first one is, what advice would you give to your younger self?
I would say probably one thing that if some failures happen, then after each failure, you will have a new opportunity. This is what I see from year to year, and I'm already, working as a dentist 15 years, and the way as a speaker as well. And every single time I see something kind of bad happens, then after this, I always have the new opportunities, and sometimes I don't even realize where they are coming from. But one lesson I learned, if you are working hard, the opportunities are gonna come from somewhere for sure. So I wouldn't change anything. I would just live the life it's supposed to be, the way it's supposed to be. And I'll tell you honestly, I had some like private issues in my life, but as a result of those issues, I am who I am today. So I wouldn't change anything.
Beautiful,
Thank you.
beautiful. Okay, my next question is, what is your favorite toy or equipment in dentistry?
Well, it's quite difficult to pick one, but because I'm all over in digital dentistry, as you know, probably the first step that allows you to start doing anything digital is getting the scanner, because it's a first step. This is your first investment, but this already allows you to digitalize your work. And you know what I'm also thinking? I'm thinking that sooner or later we need to remove from the equation the word digital. We just we just should use the word modern. That's it. Because this is how the modern dentistry is nowadays. It's like we're not saying digital phone, right? We're saying the phone, but it's already digital. So the same thing is with dentistry. So I think that in near future, we will not call it anymore digital dentistry. We will just say the modern dentistry.
Makes all the sense. You're right. Yeah,
Thanks.
good, excellent. And talking about digital dentistry, and you're the king of digital dentistry. Next question is, how do you think digital dentistry or modern dentistry is changing our profession?
First of all, it gives us opportunity to work less, but being able to produce more. So usually those two definitions, they don't sound like they can work together, because how come you can work less and produce more? But integrating all the new technologies like 3D printing, like milling machines, that technology can work overnight. And actually, we can spend less time in the lab, for example, or in the clinic while those machines are working for us. And I will give you a simple example from the clinical work, because I'm a clinician, I work a lot in the office. If in the past, to make the full mouth reconstruction, we needed at least like 2 weeks, that was like average timing. So nowadays, we need 6 days.
Yeah.
So it's better for everybody. It's better for me as a clinician. It's better for the lab, so that story doesn't last like a month. And is the best for the patient, because they don't have to wait when they finally get their dream smile in the end of the story. So of course, we save so much time when we start using the digital technology. Plus, digital technology destroys the borders. So let's say I want to cooperate with you. I can easily digitalize my patient, send you all the data. You can tell me what you think about the patient, give me your opinion about the treatment. And this is how easy it is nowadays. Just in 1 minute, you have all the data, and that's it. Or you can cooperate with my lab. It's the same thing. The distance doesn't matter anymore. So, if somebody told me this 10, 15 years ago, that would be even difficult to imagine.
Yeah, you're so right. We see it in the program as we're incorporating digital dentistry. And when you have patients and they see the difference, they have, they compare to previous experiences when they went to the dentist, and they are really impressed and amazed how much simpler, for them the process is.
Of course.
Easier, yeah.
I mean, look at the children. All the children, when they see the screen, they go to the screen and they want to magnify whatever is in the screen.
Yep.
Sometimes even they go to the TV and they try to magnify what's on the
With
TV.
the little fingers.
You know
yeah.
why? Because for them it's a standard. They don't think that there can be a screen that is not a touch screen. So completely same thing is going to happen to dentistry.
Yep.
That's why I was saying that soon we're not going to use the word digital because it will be a standard dentistry.
Yeah. Yeah, could not agree more. And my very last question is, what's your favorite part of working in dentistry?
You know, after these 15 years, I've made so many new friends among my patients because our patients, after finishing the treatment, when they get the final results, they just come to our office. When they come nearby, they just enter because we always give them very good coffee. So they just come by, they sit down, they just chat with us. You know, even we're hiring the company that was doing the analysis why people come to our office. And when they were talking to our clients, they said that they feel like we're a family. Yes, and even after finalizing the treatment, they are always happy to come back and spend some time with us. So for us, for me particularly, it's not just business. It's building the new relationship. And, you know, when you're not alone, you have many friends, this is what makes you happy, not just the financial income.
Yeah. And we're in the business of transforming life. So I'm sure for
That's
your
true.
patients, they see you and
This is why we have this approach that I was sharing today, that we're trying to have the complex approach, not working with one tooth or two teeth, but if the patient trusts us, it means we have to make patient healthy and as a bonus, beautiful. And we
there
speak
you
about
go.
the smile.
There you go. Excellent. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much. Amazing answers. And again, thank you for being here.
It's my pleasure. Thank you so much.